At the emu section. Scientific name Dromas novaehollandiae. I don't know if I'm correct, but Hausa name is Gymnera australia. Habitat arid plain, woodland, desert, savanna, and forest. Incubation period 56 to 62 days. Number of eggs 8 to 10 eggs. Lifespan 40 years in captivity. Okay, let's go meet the emu. Emu, hey, come. Hey, emu. Emu, emu, emu. What's up? How are you? Hey, aren't you happy seeing me? Come on, smile. Smile, baby. Oh, look at that. Wait. Come back here, please. Hey, stay put. Let me do something. What's your... Alright, bye. Have you heard of emu oil? Go and browse about it. It's one wonder oil.